Hello Akshita, hello Param, welcome to eTimes TV.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys?
We're good.
We are
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you.
How are you, Vijayalakshmi?
I am good. So, the segment we are going to start with you today is cracking the code. So basically हम आप दोनों के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे को कितना जानते हो. So, Param, starting with you, I want to know what was your first impression when you saw Akshita for the first time?
I was just hoping that she gets the show, and so that I don't have to do mock shoots again and again. And when I did the mock shoot, I was quite impressed, and she got selected. So जैसे लगा cute है, अच्छी है. और कुछ तुमने देखो ऐसे करें.
Okay. What
Yeah.
about you, Akshita? What was your idea?
मैं obviously first mock shoot ही हुआ परम के साथ, तो बात जब हुई obviously you expect your co-actor to be genuine, nice to you. तो he was very nice to me. मुझे अच्छा लगा बात करके, and I was like quite comfortable कि okay, मैं शो करूंगी भी तो co-actor अच्छा है, that's all I want. So I was quite impressed. Obviously he was nice to me. That's it. इतना ही था. उसके
And-
बाद
What was the first thing, Param, you noticed about her, about Akshita?
First thing, I don't notice anyone ऐसे तो कोई first thing.
But कुछ भी कोई quality या कुछ.
I think she was
कोई
very
other-
nervous because she was. Obviously, people get nervous who looked him. I was
Yeah.
selected and we were waiting for a girl. I think she was quiet and she was very sincere. She was listening to whatever was said to her and whatever was demanded in the character. She was sincere. She was quick. That's what I noticed. Ki, yeah, she's not bad.
वाह क्या तारीफ है.
not bad.
But good na yaar. Obviously, you're good.
Okay, Akshita, now you can tell about him. What is the first thing that you noticed about him?
मैंने नोटिस यही किया था कि he make sure कि सामने वाला co-actor comfortable हो उसके साथ. So for that, वो खुद से मस्ती करेगा. He'll take initiative. बात करने में हो, scene के लिए हो, कुछ explain करने में हो. तो वो नोटिस किया था मैंने कि वो comfortable करना जरूरी समझता है सामने वाले co-actor को. Which is very important again.
And Param, if I want to know कि अक्षिता का कोई ऐसा सीन जो आपको बहुत impress कर गया, which you found out, you thought कि यार it was very good.
I think we just did a scene which will come in 3-4 days. That scene was very nicely played by her. That chote nuances she added in the scene which was not obviously mentioned. And I really liked it because I saw it while I was doing the dubbing. I really liked it and I told her also, which is very nice. I was very bad in it. Equally bad and she was equally good. So the scene was good because of her. That scene. Otherwise, she was good in all the scenes. Whatever is required in the character, she's doing whatever has been written and whatever constraints we have in the we have to also we can't just do whatever we want. It's a collective medium, so whatever I see of her, it's good. Quite good.
Akshita, you tell me.
There are many. I don't know कोई specific तो मुझे याद नहीं है. बहुत सारे हैं in fact. Again, the scene he's talking about जिसमें he felt that he was not that good. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा वो scene. क्योंकि परम के जितने इमोशनल सीन्स होते हैं मुझे वो सारे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं बिकॉज वो जोन में जाके उन्हें परफॉर्म करता है. वो लिस्ट में बिलीव नहीं करता. he gets into the zone and then he performs. तो मुझे वो सारे सीन्स अच्छे लगते हैं जो भी इमोशनल होते हैं. उसे बहुत ही रियल तरीके से करता है. मुझे सारे वो इमोशनल सीन्स ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. Afghan man, he's rough, tough, rude to me. वो सारे भी अच्छे होते हैं. वो सारे क्यूट होते हैं. और नोक चोक वाले जितने भी सीन हैं वो बहुत क्यूट लगे मुझे. But हाँ, इमोशनल सीन्स में I really like it.
Okay. Param, you have to tell me one habit of Akshita that annoys you the most. Or irritates you.
You're asking one.
Whenever she's happy, whenever she's laughing, she will scratch me everywhere. She'll hit me. So I have to be very careful. If Akshita, now see, if she's smiling or laughing, then if she's happy, then I'm sad because she'll start hitting me. Everywhere she hits me, and I have to be very careful. Like, you know, I have to protect my face, my body. So yeah, but it's very cute. It's not something which annoys me. I really like it. You know, that vibe and that energy, and she has that very cute, and naturally she's very funny. And you know, naturally she's bubbly, naturally she's cute, and at the same time she's very mature also. So ऐसा कुछ है नहीं that, you know, really annoys me. I find it cute now. Now, मतलब I've given up. Like
he has got used to it.
However she is, however annoying she is, I've accepted it.
He has got used to it.
See, yeah, I'm used to her now.
Now your turn, Akshita. You tell me.
Yes.
बहुत सारी लंबी
लिस्ट मेरे तो बहुत है यार.
Actually बहुत है यार. ये सारे questions ना पहले से पता होने चाहिए so that I can prepare my answer.
Also, Akshita is very moody. So am I.
Exactly. One thing that annoys me the most about him, that he's so moody. He's so moody. इतना ज़्यादा moody होता है. When I want him to be a little chirpy, happy to go, he is sometimes very straight face. Okay. हाँ. ऐसे हो जाता है. और जब मैं सीरियस हूँ तो आके ऐसे करता है. So हाँ, मतलब मेरे को ये annoy करता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा moody ये है.
नहीं, ये भी equally moody है.
हम दोनों equally moody है. I think यही ज़्यादा annoy करता है. That's it.
Mood swings. Hormonal change.
He's excited now. I got it.
See, I told you I'm moody. Okay. Yeah, see. Did you see? He just pinched me.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Sorry. Param, you tell me one thing that you know you really adore about her, जो आपको बहुत पसंद है.
I really like the way she treats people. Like, she treats everyone equally, and you know, it's very difficult for everyone, you know, for anyone actually to really act in front of people. She doesn't that. She is what she is, and I like that about her. She's real, and she is she doesn't have a mask. She's not two-faced. I like that about her, and she treats everyone equally, which I really like. And she's patient also. She is she's young, but she's mentally, you know, mature and smart and quick to learn. And there are a lot of things which I learned from her. Because when I was 18, 19, I was really pathetic. Matlab, I was immature, I was arrogant for, I don't know why I was that. I don't know why. I was, you know, moody.
You still have.
But she's very, like, you know, like, nice. She is
sorted.
People say. Very sorted. Very, I don't know how.
Am I sorted? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah. Very
these
good
are the
for
qualities.
Other qualities?
No, these are the qualities I said.
These are the qualities
you really like about her.
Yeah. And very, very quick to learn or, you know, take... you know, if Akshita is very spontaneous as an actor, you can tell her what to do and she'll change. Very quickly she'll adapt, and it's nice. I learned that about her. Learned that from.
Okay. Akshita, you tell me one quality that you really like about Param.
Next question. Next.
He's very funny. Again, मैं moody हूँ या कुछ भी है ऐसा, मेरा mood off होगा. So you know, अगर मुझे लग गई, मैं बहुत ऐसी हूँ, मैं ऊपर नीचे हो जाती हूँ. So he's always there to take care of me. और वो ये भी try करता है कि you know, मैं हंसाऊँ इसे, मस्ती करूँ कुछ भी. So whenever I'm in pain or I'm not well or I'm not in mood, he's there to cheer me up. So as मैं प्रोफेशनल वे में नहीं जाऊंगी इस क्वेश्चन पे, पर्सनली आंसर करूंगी, तो मुझे ये चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है. That's what I like about it.
And Param, you tell me, as an actor, what is that one quality that you would like to learn or imbibe from Akshita?
I think, you know, what I like about Akshita is even if she's acting, she's making it very, very entertaining. She's not making it, even if she's doing loud, because her character is also like that, she's making it real and entertaining at the same time. She's not going flat or she's not going overboard.
Yeah.
You know, because sometimes it's the scope for going overboard is a lot. Like, you can always go overboard with such characters.
Yeah.
She's not going there. So I like it. I like that about Ishqi's character, because Ahan's character is not that, I don't know, it's inner turmoil and everything's inside. You can't show a lot of things, you know, unless you're doing emotional scenes. So it is a very big issue. Otherwise, you are very, you know, you're keeping it inside. Ishqi is like,
All
this
out.
is me,
She's
all out.
always
She's
very
like always expressive. So I like that about her, because it doesn't look forced.
Effortless.
So I like that. Yes.
Yeah. You tell me, Akshita, एक quality जो आप परम से imbibe
Realism
actor
in his skill, realism, because even he expects the script and everything to be real, क्योंकि उसको ऐसा लगता है कि act वो नहीं करना चाहता है, act उसको वो reality पे believe करता है, तो मुझे वो अच्छा लगता है. And again मेरा character ऐसा है, सब कुछ है that I'm, you know, too over expressive and all that. पर जब कुछ सीरियस सीन्स होते हैं या फिर यू नो जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत लाउड नहीं होना है, वहाँ पे मैं कई बार ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं परम जैसे यू नो रियल चीजें करता है, क्योंकि उसका कैरेक्टर फॉर अ वाइल मैं आहान बन गई हूँ इन द शो फॉर अ वाइल. तो उस चीज में मैंने एक्चुअली परम की छोटी छोटी चीजें पिक की हैं, हाउ टू बी सटल, रियल, एंड यू नो समटाइम्स इट्स गुड टू बी फ्लैट. It's not always nice to be loud all the time. तो मैंने वो चीज काफी अडैप्ट की है, मुझे वो अच्छे लगते हैं. So that realism, it's very important again as an actor.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yes,
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay.
And take care of yourself. Be happy always.
Thank you.
Thank
Vijay.
you. Thank
We'll
you.
see you soon.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Bye. I
Bye.
was going to say bye. Can I do this?
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
मैं भी कर रही हूँ. Bye.
We'll see you
See you
again.
soon. Bye.
Bye.